Welcome to the OTT Academy EYFS Phonics session. Today we're going to be learning all about the letter A. Your child does not need anything for this activity, though if you would like to practice the formation of the letter, you can pause the video and have a go. Don't worry if they struggle to form the letter correctly, as any mark making at this stage is fantastic. We hope you enjoy it. Hello everyone and welcome to another phonics session. Did you watch the last phonics session? You did? Fantastic. That means that you might remember the sound that we did last time. It looked a little bit like a snake. Can you remember what letter this was? Would you like a clue? This is a picture of 6 sausages sizzling in a saucepan. Do you think you remember what that sound was? You're right. This letter is S and it made the sound S. Can you make that sound? Fantastic! So you know the letter S makes the sound S. Well done! Do you think you're ready to learn a new sound? You are? Great! I wonder, can you look at the pictures to see if you can figure out our new sound this time? I have an apple, an alligator, an arrow and some animals. Alligator, apple, arrow and animals. Do you think you can hear that sound? That's right. All of them have the sound A. A for alligator, A for apple, A for arrow and A for animals. This week we are looking at the letter A. A makes the sound A. Can you say that sound? A. It's a very short sound. A. Can you say it really quickly? Ooh, wow, that was super speedy. Well done. Can you look at these pictures and work out which one begins with the A sound? Is it the cat? Is it ant? Or dog? Cat, ant or dog? Which one begins with the A sound? Did you say ant? You are correct. Well done. Now this isn't just any ant. He's actually a very special ant because this is Andy the ant. Can you say hello to Andy? Oh, he is very excited to meet you. Now, Andy is a little bit cheeky because whenever I go on days out, Andy actually sneaks on to my days out. Would you like to look at some of my pictures to see if you can spot Andy being really cheeky and sneaking onto my days out? When you spot him, can you point at him and say, "Ah"? Remember, you can pause the video if you need a little bit more time to find him. Are you ready? Let's take a closer look. Can you find Andy at the beach? Very good. Did you remember to say "Ah"? He's hiding on the beach towel. What about at the fairground? Fantastic! Can you see him climbing on the Ferris wheel? Remember to say "ah" when you spot him. Andy even loves going to birthday parties. Can you spot him here on top of the balloon? Very good. Remember to say "ah" when you see him. Well done if you managed to spot Andy the ant in all of those pictures. So, we know that the letter A makes the sound ah. But how do we write it? If you use your finger like a pen, you can follow the red dot all the way around to see how the letter is made. Are you ready? Let's get our pens and we can draw our "ah" really big in the sky. Let's go. We start at the top where the red dot is. We go around the apple, up, down, and a baby flick. Well done. Would you like to try that again? Remember to start at the red dot. We go around the apple, up, down, and a baby flick. Let's look closely one last time. Using your finger like a pen, go around the apple, up, down, and a baby flick. Well done. If you'd like to pause the video here to keep practicing, you can do that now. Wow, that was amazing writing. Well done. We're going to finish by playing a little game. I'm going to show you 3 letters on here, and when you think you can see the "ah", you need to tell me which colour it is. Are you ready? Let's go. Is the "ah" blue, red, or yellow? Which one is the "ah"? The blue one? Well done, it is the blue one. Shall we try again? Is the "ah" green, purple, or yellow? Yellow! Fantastic, you are right. The "ah" is yellow. Last one then. Is the "ah" red, green, or yellow? Green! Very well done. The "ah" is green. You have done some amazing learning again this week. You now know not 1, but 2 sounds. We know that the letter S makes the sound S, and the letter A makes the sound ah. Well done. Join us again next week and we are going to show you another brand new letter. Well done again, and we can't wait to speak to you soon. Bye!